Okay, so this is Stephanie. I want to teach you the big gut dance for the ICSG's Empowered. So let's go. So at first we will face back. On count 8, we will turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one 8. Have the foes on my left. And then snap. You stop, step. And at the feet on my right. And then we go turn. And chest roll, and we go left with the chest open and stop here. And then from here we go to the next slide. We go here down, and then we'll make a circular bounce. So we go like this to the right, but then our leg goes up, up, open, close 4 times. Our hand movement goes from small, medium, like big, and then bigger. So for level, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your body goes. We will jump with our leg goes like this. So the knees trying to touch your tummy. We start from our right leg, but then preparation from left. So from here, ta, 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 up. This is and 1. Let's go 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 with the hands like this, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 5, 6, 7, 8. Just skip. Usual skip. Hop, 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 hop. Lower than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from there, we will go hit. We hit with our body, with mostly actually with your shoulders. So to make it more, to make it physical, it's not real popping. It's just hit, 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 hit. 4 hit, but different direction. It's up to your direction. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go flat down here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We will go here. So the toes go up, up. So we go 7 and 8. Again, so from the knees, hop, hop, and 8. From here, we pull our shoulder back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We pull it hard, but only on the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we go down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We swing our body to the right, but down here, making feast. And then 1, 2. And then 3, 4. We go circle. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's it for the first one. We will try with music.
They think that I'm all by myself in this fight, but they do not know the infinite size of the God who is by my side. Under fire, but my Goliath standing in the shadow of the light.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Man, I'm talking about.
Okay, so next we will go to the chorus. Whenever she said, "Man, I'm talking about a big gut." So we start from here. This is our ending for the first one, and then we go 7, 8. This one when they say, "Man, I'm talking." So we go from here, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and then this make a circle. 3 on your hips. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We make 2 wave, but the first one is kind of small. Second one bigger and like lower to the back. 7, 8, and then from here we go run with this with a kick, but our hands go 1, 2. From here we go 3 and 4. So actually your leg goes like this and this, and then continue with left, right to the neutral position, to the front. With the hand now go right arm up, left arm up, and then right, but only halfway. So we go right, left, left. Okay, next from here, we will do side bounce. We open our leg like this, and then we put our body leaning to the right, and then with our hands go open. So like this. One, and then pivoting here to the back. Pivoting here to front. And then one more time, but this one big hand. So we go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, from here, we put our leg, goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this is new to you, try to practice this one first without a hand. So it's like heel, toe on the other leg, heel, toe on the other leg, heel, toe, heel, toe. The hand just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your body is supposed to follow your leg movement, so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And then from that, we will go pushing our body to the back, but our leg goes like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Our hand will just go punch it to the front. So we go punch, and then from here, big, and big, because the lyric says put your hands up or something like that. Yeah? So we go hop, and hop, and hop, and hop. Next one after that, you gonna go like this. 1, 2, big, small, big. Okay? The focus is more on the hand, so we go small, big, big. Your body is shifting from the front to the left side. So it's like 90 degree. Huh? And then your leg just go like this. If you cannot do this, just do this. It's also okay. But make sure your hand go, if you can do like this, it goes inside first. So we go small, big, big, big gut. We go like this, big gut. So we go four little bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hand goes right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's pretty easy. And then we go, we go 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and go 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then we go, we call it this kind of movement. Just like going, and then it's kind of like free because we need to walk.
Man, I'm talking about a big guy, when trouble comes.
Okay, so next for the second verse, we start with the beat, something like that with the beat, so it's not the lyric. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we go 3 times shoulder, right, but it's like swing it. Yeah, so we go swing, right, left, right, and open. And then from here, we go thumb right, hop, and then we just go bounce to the back, right, back, left, and then front, right, front, left. From here, we go to the side, 1 and 2, and just go 3 and 4, and then to the left, 5 and 6, but keep bouncing, and then turn. Turn 1 time, and then we go again. So we go to the next chorus. The second chorus will be the same as the first chorus, so we go from here. Man, I'm talking about a big gut. Okay, so I will just skip it because it's the same. I will go directly to the music. Okay.
Why in the world would I worry away when I know that he holds my world in his hands? The monsters I face don't make me afraid when I know that I'm standing right next to him. Man, I'm talking about a big guy, and trouble comes around the way. I'll be ready for big eyes, he's a big guy. Ain't nobody gonna
that. So we go stronger. Okay, so from here, and then you go to the right from your broken as you go inside, down here. And the next one, deeper. Deeper. And then we go na 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 na. From your dreams that not seen yet. From here. And then we go stronger, I guess. So we go like this. And then make a big clap. Left and right. And then test roll to the down here. Stronger than your greatest fear. And then bigger. We go bigger. Boom. So we go boom. And open and down here. Okay, so from here we go again stronger. But then just go like shoulder. Strong. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go. Keep going with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then love. When it says love, you go hug yourself and turn twice. So you get this turn, turn, and then still going open. And then just go transition. Okay? Let's try it with music. Than the previous chorus, but this one is pretty simple. It's just repeating movement. Clap 4 times, asking congregation to clap. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. But up here 5, 6, 7, 8, and then bounce it hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna go the word free. We go 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then there will be the song go do 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 do. So we go do 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 do. So right, left, right. The leg go back and back. Okay, the hand go roll and roll. Yeah, and then from there we go. Next one we just go bounce 1 and 2 and just go 3 and 4 up here and then together 5 and 6, go 7 and 8. And from here just go slow 1 and 2, cross, open, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So from here we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This one we go kick, kick, drop, and kick, kick, drop. Okay, and I think that's it. There will be maybe simple movement towards the end, but I will create it later with the full formation or full team. So yeah, let's try with the music for the last chorus. When trouble comes around the way, all they be ready for big eyes, the big guy. 1, 2, 3. They think that I'm all by myself in this fight, but they do not know the infinite size of the guy who is by my side. Hey, under fire, but my Goliath is standing in the shadow of the Almighty. I ain't lying, I'm testifying. Man, I'm talking about a big guy, big guy. When trouble
never comes around.